Oke teman-teman, hari ini kita akan belajar mengenal pilot dan pesawat. Yuk belajar bersama.
So, at this part, I want to talk about the pilot. So, do you know who is pilot? Let me tell you what it is. It's a person have a controlling of the aircraft. Yeah. So, you know how to spelling of this word? Let me try with me. P for Papa. Yeah. I for ice cream. L for lion. O for ocean. T for tiger. So let me repeat one more again. P for Papa. I for ice cream. L for lion. O for ocean. T for tiger. So, who knows how to write it? Do you know? Someone, come on, try it with me. Okay. So, now we are starting with first letter. It's P. Starting here, like a straight line. Number 1. The second one is like a circle. Starting here, round and round. Number 2. The next one is letter I. Again, straight line. I like ice cream. The next letter is letter L. Up to down, left to right, 4, 5. The next letter is letter O. Starting here, O. Yes, it's like a circle. The last letter is letter T. Starting here, left to right. And the last, up to down. Yes, now we have a pilot. P, I, L, O, T. Yes, let me try one more again. In this page, starting here, and here, P, I, L, and O, and T, pilot. Yes. You enjoy to do it for once more again? Come on. Will it be boring, guys? P for pilot. Starting in here. I, L, O, T. I hope you do it like this. Very good. Go on, guys. Thank you for watching. rectangle, square. Do you like to do it? It's really fun. Come on, do it with me. For the start, we need circle. Circle. And second circle, it has to be bigger than first circle. And the third circle have to be the biggest. So now we are connecting all together. Like this. Yes. So now what we need is one circle from top tip. Yes. One square in here. Yes. And one rectangle from here. One square from here. One more again in here. It has to be short or smaller than this one. Yes, something like this. And with the window, of course, from here it has to be rectangle. Circle, circle, and circle, and the teeny circle. I'm using this marker for showing which shapes we want. We want this square, sorry. Yes. Circle, oval, rectangle. Again, square, and I think it's square too, but it could be rectangle too. Of course, the windows, circle, 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 and one more circle. Now you can see you have an airplane. So what shape we use? We use circle, square, rectangle, and oval. I hope you do it very well. I know it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you again. Hello everyone, welcome to Jackids video. My name is Miss Sahra and I'm Jackids teacher. Today we have an online learning. So today what we want to learn is one jet, something like that. If you have a patient for do that squirrel, have a four sides like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. They make it 2 from the middle like this. Make a one rectangle from here. Rectangle should be like this. So we need one more triangle. So turn from here. Yeah. If you carefully see, you can see one curved line. Starting here and here. This tail should follow this line. Yeah. Like this. And do it like this. And open. And one more curling from this tail tip until here, like this. One more in here. because it's more easier for me. Yeah. Your paper should be like this. And now when you open it, you can see you have a one jet. You can do it with flowing in the outside and you can see how it's working. Please for support us to make more videos.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.